Welcome to the review in which I tell you about very good web hosting. From my own experience, I know about this service and I can say with confidence that it is worth it. One of the best among all the services you can find. It is a giant company that currently serves nearly 30 million customers worldwide. Hosting offers shared cloud and VPS solutions and also has data centers on 4 different continents. This all sounds great, but what is really interesting is the ultra-low prices. Some hosts force you to create a site that goes well with their own limitations. They make you think a little and dream a little, which leads to an end product that is very far from what you originally envisioned. Hostinger is the complete opposite of such companies. Instead of limiting you, it provides you with a canvas to write down your dream website. With Hostinger, you will enjoy a great mix of beginner-friendly and advanced features. If this is your first time hosting, don't worry, Hostinger will do most of the hard work for you. One-click installation will launch your new blog in seconds, and the company has servers optimized specifically for WordPress. If you have some experience with web development, you will appreciate the many additional features the platform offers. These include Cloudflare CDN integration, daily and weekly site backups, and site caching to speed up loading for your visitors. Hostinger plans are divided into shared cloud and VPS hosting, with each plan offering a slightly different mix of features and options. Thus, it is important to define your needs and choose accordingly. Small and medium sites, be it a personal blog or a business page, are fine with shared hosting. On the other hand, international e-commerce brands and large companies require customized solutions that include custom backups and restore points, staging environments, frameworks, and more. While the wealth of features and options gives you the ability to do whatever you want, it won't do you much good if they're not readily available and easy to use. Fortunately, Hostinger has some of the best user experience specialists in the industry and have done a fantastic job in understanding your needs and offering a simple solution. Accounting creation and hosting management has never been easier. Create a new account. The first step is registration. The plans are clearly laid out and you can easily compare the different plans and understand the differences. Just add the plan to your cart, choose your billing cycle and place your order. Do you have any questions? You can ask their support in the live chat. Domain connection and WordPress installation. The next step is to connect your domain and install the CMS of your choice. Hostinger provides all the tutorials you need and support can help with any issue you might have. You can find a detailed description of my domain and adventures with WordPress and Hostinger here. Access to mail from anywhere in the world. Hostinger also offers email hosting, giving you the benefits of a personalized email address. You can easily create additional addresses using hPanel, and the premium and business plans give you unlimited addresses. Other features include autoresponders, email forwarding, and automatic rerouting. Best of all, of course, is webmail access, which is offered on all plans. Excellent uptime, excellent speeds. No dedicated functionality or great user experience can change the two most important factors, uptime and download speed. Uptime is measured as a percentage with a 100% rating, meaning the site is always available. Since sites run on complex servers and nothing is reliable, most hosts target 99% uptime. Good hosts aim for more. Great hosts guarantee this. Introducing Hostinger's 99.9% uptime guarantee. The company's SLA states that if they fail to provide a user with 99.9% uptime, that user can get back 5% of their monthly fees. I'm also happy to report that tracking sites hosted in US and European data centers consistently shows 99.9% plus actual uptime. Fantastic support at your service 24/7. Hostinger offers one of the best supports in the industry. Support agents are available 24/7 via live chat, and after many interactions with them, I am pleased to report that they are fast, efficient, and professional. Hostinger gets it right. Rather than complicating support with long wait times and outsourced agents, the company provides state-of-the-art live chat support as well as an industry-leading knowledge base. The only complaint is that Hostinger does not support phone support. Live chat works great, but it can't match the more personal nature of a phone call. For those who need a real conversation with a representative who speaks their language, chat may seem limited. For those who don't mind live chat, this is the best support you can get this way. 24/7 support, immediate responses to inquiries, professional stuff, and the most comprehensive knowledge base in the entire industry. Service at a reasonable price. Overall, Hostinger offers fantastic value for money. The situation is slightly different for each type of hosting, so let's start with a detailed breakdown. The company offers shared and cloud hosting, each with 3 price levels in addition to cutting-edge VPS solutions in various price points. A VPS will be your best friend if you are really in big business, but for a simple blog or small site, shared hosting will be fine. Compared to other web hosts, shared hosting plans aren't just available, they are practically free. Hostinger often advertises limited time offers and specials, and when that happens, the monthly hosting cost becomes penniless. If you need a domain name, sign up for a premium or business plan for a year or longer, and Hostinger will offer you the domain for free. Pay attention to the fine print when registering. There are a few things to look out for in the account creation process. First, free domains are only available if you purchase a registration for at least 1 year. If you need to register a domain, you will be charged $8.99 annually for the name.com. However, you can purchase domains starting at 99 cents if you choose atypical domain suffixes such as .tech or .online. The next moment, some of the features are marketed as free, but in fact, there is an additional charge for them, unless you have purchased the business plan for at least a year. Below are some additional features that many webmasters will have to pay for. SSL certificate, $14.99 during the entire time of the site. Daily backup, $2.59 monthly. Cloudflare protection, $10. Priority support, $4 per month. If you're looking for free marketing opportunities like Google AdWords or Facebook ads, then you're out of luck. Hostinger does not offer any marketing credit options on all of its plans.